Hi, I'm Zandy Peters, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this stitch right here, a left purl twist, also known as a two-stitch left purled cable. You can see it right here in my latest pattern. This is the Stroopwafel Shawl, and I use the stitch to create these diagonal lines in the texture. So let's get started. I'm going to need a cable needle for some of these, and I'll be using one of these locking stitch markers because they're a little bit lighter and easier to use for these small cables. If you're looking at a pattern, you'll see probably this symbol in the chart, or I use the abbreviation in my written patterns, LPT, for left purl twist, but you may also see some of these abbreviations that are more traditional cable notation. I'm going to do the first one of these with my cable needle, and then I'll show you how to do it without them. I'm going to start my row here. I'm just working up to the spot where my twist is going to occur, wherever that is in your pattern. And once I get there, I'm going to take my cable needle and slip this first stitch right here onto the cable needle and hold it to the front of my work. Then I'm going to purl my next stitch, and then I'm going to knit the stitch either directly from the cable needle, or I can just put it right back on to my left hand needle, bring my yarn to the back to knit, work that stitch, and then I can travel on in my row. Now here I'm ready for my next twist. I'm going to do this one without a cable needle. If you don't feel comfortable having stitches dropped off of the needle for a little bit, go ahead and use that cable needle method. Or you can try this. Nothing's going to unravel unless you pull on it really hard, but there's still a chance that, things could get more messed up. So I'm going to carefully slip the first stitch off the needle, and it's going to hang to the front of my work. I'm going to gently purl into the next stitch, being careful not to pull on it too hard. Immediately, when I finish that stitch, I'm going to reach forward with my left hand needle tip, pick up that hanging stitch, and then I'm going to knit into that one to create my left purl twist. So there it is, completed. Now you can do this by dropping both of these stitches off the needle, reversing the order, and then working them. So I'm going to show you that now. And this one is a little bit easier to keep things from laddering. Things are off the needle for less time. They're still going to be off for a little bit though. So I'm going to reach behind and grab with my right hand needle tip the second stitch on the needle, and then I'm going to carefully pull my left hand needle tip out, and then I'm going to immediately insert it back into that stitch in the front, reversing the order of these two stitches on the needle. Now I can just purl the first one and knit the second to move on and complete my row. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you'll follow me here on YouTube, or you can follow me on Instagram at Zandy Peters or on TikTok at zandy.peters for more knit tips tutorials.